Welcome back to All Occasion Gifts. This is episode 6 of the Valentine's Day gift basket series. Today we're going to make a quick, simple Valentine's Day gift basket using a purse. And this is the purse. And we're going to use this small flower bouquet. And I'm going to take the flower bouquet and add some Ferrero Rochers to it. We're going to use the Kimberly's Kiss. I like the Kimberly's Kiss with this because it is shaped in the form of some lips, and it goes perfectly with the lips that are on this box. So I thought that would be a good combination. And we have our Ferrero Rochers. I'm going to take the Ferrero Rochers and place them inside of the small candy little cups. And I'm going to add a skewer. And then I'm just going to place it inside the flower bouquet. And then next we have our creamy white bear. He has a nice bow tie, kind of coordinates with everything. I've already wrapped my box. And you can see this line down here. I had to take 2 pieces of paper and splice them together in order to not waste any paper. So let's get started. I'm just going to move everything out of the way. Okay, I'm going to take the box and I'm going to place the bear on top of the box. And then I'm going to take the fishing wire and I'm going to tie the bear down to the box. And I'm just going to tie it like midway. And I don't know if you've been following me. I told you that I usually place a piece of tape on the side of the box so it doesn't rip the wrapping paper. So I'm just going to add the tape. I'm going to make this video as fast as I can because I am thoroughly behind on making my Valentine's Day gifts. So I am going to end up just making shorts. And I'll just name the episode. The next episode will be episode 7 because it takes a little bit of time to set up this video and get it all done. And then I'm just going to tie the fishing wire and then I'll adjust the bear accordingly. And if you're wondering, am I going to add a backer? Yes, I am going to add a backer. And it's tied loosely, and I'm going to tighten it and adjust it shortly. I'm going to add a backer to the bear, or to the box. I've got the backer on, and I'm going to just position him, and then I'm going to tighten up the fishing wire. I'm going to spread his legs so I can be able to add the purse to the front of the gift. And I'm going to take and place the purse directly in front of the bear, pushing his legs back. I'm going to take and add some tape to the bottom of the purse. And I'm going to reposition the purse on the box. And I'm just going to press down. And I'm going to add some tape to the side to hold it down a little bit better. Okay, then now the bear is holding on to, well, not quite holding on to it, but I have the box in place. And his feet, and I'm going to tighten him down a little bit more. I'm going to give it about 5 good ties. Have his feet facing forward because he's got these nice hearts on his feet. Okay, and then next I'm going to take the flower bouquet and I'm going to add the Ferrero Rochers. Just turn it a little bit so it the tag faces the back. And I'm going to add about 6 Ferrero Rochers to the bouquet. And like I said, I'm going to place them inside of the candy holder. And I'm going to take and I'm going to cut these in half or in thirds. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to add a piece of tape to the skewer because it's usually just a little bit loose. And then just push them down in there, and then just add the candy to the bouquet. And just gently press the candy into the bouquet. Just find a space in between the flowers and just press it in. And there we have the Ferrero Rocher flower bouquet. And I'm going to take it and place it on the side where it says Happy Valentine's Day. I'm going to place it directly on top of the box. Just going to have another little piece of tape on the end. And glue dots, because glue dots don't always stick and stay, and especially, and we're going out in the cold weather, so I'm going to use the tape. Make sure my tape is hidden. There we go. And then next I'm going to take and add the Kimberly's Kiss. And I'm going to use the hot glue to glue down the Kimberly's Kiss. And I just placed a little bit of glue under the bottom, and I'm just going to place it right here on the box. And just give that a minute to dry. And I'm also going to secure it with a piece of tape on the back. Straighten out his bow tie just a little bit. Let's see. I want to tie his hands to the box. I don't think we're going to need to tie his hands because they kind of just sit right there. And being that this is supposed to be a boy, we won't be adding a bow tie. We won't be adding a bow to his ears. And there you have the Valentine's Day purse gift basket. I don't know how good an angle this is to be able to see this. You just tip it up just a little bit. I'm going to do a short so you can kind of get a view of the gift basket. You have the Ferrero Rocher purse gift basket with the perfume. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more of the Valentine's Day gift basket series.